Oh, hey. Well, for Inktober, usually people just post it on their own Instagram or whatever. But if you want to share it with the group here, you can post it to the chat drawings link in the description here. But cool, congrats on your first Inktober. Oops. I'm doing good. Just woke up and I'm trying to. I want to do a model before we start. Before we start drawing. Maybe this can be some kind of race car thing. Hi, Isaac. Yes, this is 2.8. We're not using a mirror modifier here. We'll start at 11 for the drawing part. Yeah, Catalan, this is just a linked duplicate of the object. So there's no mirror modifier here. Hi, Sina. I'm just doing some modeling while we wait for the drawing to start at 11. But yeah, somebody said that the mirror modifier works in edit mode now, at least with if you compile Blender by yourself. I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna have to wait for them to compile it, which will probably be maybe sometime today or possibly tomorrow. So we'll hopefully have our mirror modifier back in full strength. So that's pretty exciting. Oh man, so they didn't have mirror modifiers or any kind of equivalent thing for Softimage? I always hear that program was so amazing. I'll turn on the back facing here so you can see the other side. Yeah, nice. I think HEAVYPOly is the first one I saw using soft image. How to use refs? I'm not sure. I don't know if we can import images, can we? Let's see. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Whoa, what the hell? This is buggy. I don't know why this image is up. Weird. Could be a little bit better, but sort of works. You just drag and drop it. I mean, at least that's how it worked here. Drag and drop. But these images are behaving really weird. What the hell is this thing supposed to be? It's kind of buggy. Isaac, yeah, this is a free program. You can do all this stuff. You can download it for free. It's called Blender. Oops. Yeah, I mean, this is the one from today. Maybe they added it in lately. Yeah, Luke, it's some kind of race car. I'm not sure exactly. I think it's like an LMP hover car or something. Well, the cool thing about 2.8 is we can go into like rendered mode like this, and it looks pretty nice compared to 2.79. And you can see your lights and stuff too, very very realistically. Like, let's see, we could make another one here. I don't know. The viewport looks better, basically. It looks a lot better. Can you import it to Photoshop? What do you mean, the model? Or just the image? But yeah, you can import stuff to Photoshop. You can export this stuff into pretty much any 3D program. It's just OBJ or STL. Any normal 3D program should be able to accept these kind of models. Oops. Is the live mirror working again? No, but somebody said it's going to be working tomorrow. Like it's ready, but it just hasn't been built yet in the build bot. So if you look out for it tomorrow, mirror modifier should be working in edit mode. But we're not using any mirror modifier here. This is just a linked duplicate object, which is definitely not as nice as a mirror modifier. Oops. Yep. Yeah, I'm excited for been really missing that mirror modifier. Maybe we can get another color in here. Glossy. Oh, I need to copy that. Gray. This is pretty ugly, huh? Pretty ugly. Yeah, I want to make this kind of a race car looking thing, even though it's has no wheels. So, nice tub here. Okay. Maybe we can draw some race cars today. We're in a racing mood. But everything is autonomous now, so I guess we're not going to have a regular cabin anymore. Just sort of a weird hump for the camera maybe, or sensors, I don't know. Maybe this is like the spine of the thing, and then yeah, I can't wait till that stuff comes back. Let's see. I wonder if Solidifier works yet. No. Dang. Hmm. He starts off with a line. How do you thicken the line? I don't really do retopology ever, and I'll just put in support edges like here, or you can use the what is it? Shift E to make a crease. Yeah, Shift E. You can make an edge into a plane with Solidify. I didn't know that. It's good to know. Maybe these guys are not helping. I thought Moto had like their new viewport is more advanced though, isn't it? Or are they still, is it still the same? Uh-oh. They must be shitting bricks now. Oh, really? Have they been working on modeling tools? I was getting tired of waiting for modeling stuff because it seemed like every update it was like some other stuff they were focusing on. Like they kept making changes for video games and I don't know, VR and stuff, but they were kind of neglecting the modeling. These aren't matte caps, these are materials. This is Eevee, so all this is like rendered in real time here. Yeah. Do any of you guys have a VR headset? I was trying to do some research, but I don't know, I still haven't, I don't know. I think the most exciting thing would be to try to like develop maybe a plugin or something to let you use VR for modeling stuff. in Blender, but I don't know. Or maybe there's already a really good program for modeling with VR. I just don't know. I don't know anything about it. Oh, nice. Frantic. That's awesome. So, you gotta show us how to build Blender, man. Is it hard to do? You have to download a bunch of stuff in order to build it? And do you develop stuff for Blender? I think I tried to build Blender one time and it took me all day. Because I have no idea what I'm doing. It won't open? I don't know. Oh, damn it, Linux. Man, I was trying to use Linux, but I failed. One of the things, though, is like Dropbox, because the Dropbox app on Linux kind of sucks. And I use Dropbox a lot. Same with Google Drive. They don't have a really good one. You can talk about your approach to designing on the fly. Let's see. The approach is to do everything in paper. So nothing has thickness here. We're all just very simple geometry, and then we're just extruding stuff like this. Trying to play like sheet metal or something. And also, I like playing with graphics really early, because you might be able to find something interesting with the graphics, like maybe this. Hey, Robert. Yeah, this was F1 all along, man. Sometimes this stuff works better without subdivision. Just need to get rid of it. I think that maybe the double is cool. Morning, Charlie. How's it going? Charlie came to visit yesterday. So, yeah. And John Fry came out too to say hi. Maybe we could cut a hole in here. Two sketches already. Okay. It's a good start to the day. Yeah, that was pretty awesome to hear all the stories about all those like computers and stuff and the programs that you guys were using. Hey, Crimson Knight. We're doing a little bit of 3D today before we start drawing. Let's put a little LED in here. Glow. Okay. Booleans are still a little bit glitchy, like sometimes they don't, you have to jiggle them around to, but it's okay. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, the workshop thing, gotta figure that out. Seems like everybody other than LA is doing the workshops. Oops. Put some stripes on here. Hey, Alan Keys. Oh. Oh, all right. I should probably. Oh, I know. I should get some water because coffee is not good for hydration. Be right back. Oh, sorry guys. Linux 3D, I like your name. You sound like somebody who would be fun to, oh shoot. I have my cake. My old cake. What other good Linux 3D software is there? Boing boing boing. Octane on Linux. Oh. I'm gonna try to model with one hand. It's going very slowly. Hi Vishal. Vishal. Haha. Sorry, Danny. I'm sorry that you have to use Maya. Thoughts and prayers go out to you. I'm just kidding. Virtual machine, is that? What is it? VMSKT. Danny, you should sneak in Blender to work. You can just have it on a flash drive. So you don't need to ask IT to install it for you. That's one of my favorite parts, actually. The add a mesh pie? Really? Oh wait, my pie? This one here? It works good. Oh wow. You got Blender at school? Which school is that? Crimson Knight, if you download the latest one, it should work. You just, here, see? Latest, if you get the latest Blender 2.8 and the latest scripts from the YouTube install video, it should work like this. I just downloaded Blender today. The first version of the scripts was not working, but this one is working. Okay, you got the latest scripts too? I mean, did you download the scripts this morning? Yeah, I've been having to like go and chase all the updates because they keep changing stuff and the scripts keep breaking, but so far we're keeping up. So we're still in business. All right. I will disagree with you there, but it's okay. Whatever, do what you want. Yeah, Eduardo, can you do this? Can you do that without the scripts? Maybe you can, actually, I don't know. Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do that? We're not testing anything in particular. I just like to give a little rundown whenever there's an update, just to make sure that things aren't horribly broken. And yeah. So yeah, I'm just giving a general, using all the regular tools and make sure everything is still intact. Let's try to make a little logo here. Maybe Oops. Save this. Let's add where are we? Oh, here we are. Scripts. Scripts are us. We need to change that font, that horrible, horrible font. Do we have anything better than that, please? I need some better fonts. Ooh. Ew. Whatever. Oh, no. No. I actually love the fact that you can do, where is it? Wait, where'd it go? Offset. Wait, no, not offset. Can't you, isn't there a way you can make text thicker? Oh yeah, here we are. That's so cool. I don't know any, like you can't do that in Photoshop, right? It's the best. All right. Go back to object mode. I'd rather not, because then that means the tutorial takes twice as long to do. The whole point of the scripts is to save time. So I'm not gonna... let's see. Mesh. Text to mesh. Curve to mesh. How do you set it again? I thought it was Alt M. Or is it Control M? No. Alt C. Oh, that's it. Oh, shoot. Alt C not working anymore. What's that command called again? Mesh, curve to mesh, or mesh, convert to, there we go. Convert to mesh. Oh shoot, I guess we don't have it yet in 2.8. Crap. How do we convert the text into mesh in 2.8? Arg, I don't think we have it yet. Yes, it is. Is that surprising or weird? Isolate is not... No, I haven't been doing isolate. No isolate yet. This is really horrible. Oh, it doesn't let you adjust each text, huh? Rocket animation. That's a good way to put it. We're addicted to polygons. Generic logo. Super generic logo. Let's give these another color. Glossy V. So Glossy V is a special material that's set up to take vertex colors here with the Heavy Poly Pi. So we can give it any vertex color. We could even go like that. But the extra cool thing is we could even get certain verts and make them different colors, which is the whole point of vertex color, I guess. Yeah. But actually in this case I just want it to be solid color here. Generic logo. Here you go. Oops. Man, that's pretty horrible. Oops. Hey, Dennis. Yep. Xepestremenos. This menu is a script that's part of my little config here called HEAVYPOLY config, and it's free. You can just get it. I think there should be a link. Actually, just search 2.8 HEAVYPOLY, and you'll find these scripts if you want them. And yeah, nope. The whole point of this is you guys can ask questions, so don't feel bad asking questions. I really don't like this font. Oh, he says you have PayPal. I have the Gumroad. I think is maybe the easiest thing. Or oh, we have Super Chat now. That just got added in to the channel. So I think I've never received a Super Chat, but apparently that's a way you can do it. Oh man, that Streamlabs link. I should get rid of that because I haven't been using the Streamlabs stuff. Probably Gumroad is the best thing. There's this Gumroad. You can just go Gumroad/Vling, and then I have stuff there. I should check my links. Thanks, Jesse. What's not available in every country? Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, that's one thing I need to figure out how to make some money at some point. But for now, this is just fun. Oh, Super Chat is not available in certain countries. Good to know. Well, I guess I'd rather, if you guys want to support like that, you can. I have this Gumroad thing, and I put the link in there now, so hopefully that'll work. But at least with Gumroad, you get something. I have videos and things, so it's sort of useful compared to just donating, you know, for nothing, I guess. But yes, money. Isn't money a pain? Oops. Maybe this should go up like that. I don't really know anything about aerodynamics, but I can pretend. And this thing is still just floating here, not even attached to anything. So it could be like this, or we could do it F1 style, where they have that, like, 2 of them these days. Where's screencast keys? I don't know where screencast keys is. This is all a custom setup anyway, so I don't think the keys are going to be useful unless you're using this setup. Oh yeah, so I guess I should do a little spiel while you guys are here, because I I don't know. So if you do want to support this thing and go learn more Blender stuff, I have a Gumroad. So you just go gumroad.com. Where is it? .com/relink. I have the link below, and it's like this. Well, it loads pretty slowly. That's not good. Here's the other thing, HEAVYPOLY.com. So this is just a bunch of tutorials and stuff. I have a drawing one. This is a painting thing where it shows like how to have like a little portable plein air setup for gouache. And then there's also Moto tutorials and Blender tutorials and drawing and this and that. And then this is all my work stuff over the years. Okay, I'm done. Spiel over. I think I'm the world's worst salesperson. Whenever I try to describe something like food or a trip or something and try to make it sound appealing, people always kind of fall asleep and they get disinterested very quickly. I think it's something to do with my voice. It's not a good sales voice. Gumroad tutorial for the 3D printing setup. Yeah, actually I have one. It's in there. In yeah, gumroad.com/feeling. Man, this Gumroad is slow today. But yeah, down here, where is it? Wait, where is it? There's a 3D. I had a 3D printing tutorial. How are people buying this if it's not even on here? DIY 3D printing. Oh, if you search build your own 3D DLP, is it? Oh yeah, here it is. Build your own DIY SLA printer. This is my thing. Holy crap, there's okay, well, I guess I unlisted it for a while because it's a little bit old now. That's from 2015, but it's still there if you want it. But you can also just go on to build your own SLA.com, and this has a lot of good info for people that are building their own SLA printers. Oh shoot, wow. And there's also a really cool, is it a Google group? If you just search build your own SLA SLS. Google group. Okay, open SLA Google group. These people in here are geniuses and they're like making their own things using LCD screens and UV lights and stuff, and they've got science and things like that. This is a cool site. But yeah, I just got my printer set up again, but I think I just realized that the resin kind of gives me allergies, so I don't think I'm going to use it that much anymore. Let's see. Hi. Hey. Hi, HEAVYPOLY. Impressed with your Blender setup. Thanks, man. Why is it called EV? It's an acronym for like extra viewport, like enhanced viewport or something like that. Noki has a Prusa clone super modded, and he wants SLA. I heard the Shuffle XL is really good. I'm kind of interested in that one. The Shuffle XL. My friend Florian was showing me. But man, I don't need another. I already have a non-working printer. I don't need another non-working printer. Hey, Brush Runner. Get grease pencil to work. Yeah, I don't know. I saw your post. Sorry I didn't really have a good answer for you, but the thing is I don't really know how a grease pencil is supposed to work, so I don't know how to fix it. Is it like, okay, so Control Tab, and then it's supposed to be in here for grease pencil? Not sure how it works. Okay, Control Tab, and then what is it? Texture Paint. So this Control Tab is supposed to be a different menu here than what it's showing. Draw. Okay. All right, I'll look that up later. I don't know. I'm not sure what that is. Hey, Walter. Good morning. And then owner says, if you don't mind, I wrote a program for automatic updating of 2.8 Blender version manager. All right, I'm going to look this up. So this has the new stuff, I'm guessing. Blender version manager on, where is it? Blender Artist. I've been using this, the Overmind updater, which is pretty good, but this one, let's see. That's cool. All right. So it doesn't update 2.8, it just updates the add-ons, right? Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Okay, so animation in here, Control Tab. It's not there, huh? Yeah, why isn't it letting us draw here? All right, I need to look into this more, but I think it's probably because I have, normally I have drag mouse to be box select, and that might be conflicting with the grease pencil here. So that could be it. Oh, add a grease pencil object. Blank. And then how do you use it? You just draw. Let me see, new. 2D animation, grease pencil. Wait, how come? Well, there's a grease pencil object here. How do you draw? Just dragging, usually? I think I need a change the, I'm gonna need to change the hotkeys maybe. Okay, select an object. Oh, I see. I see. I think. Oh, here it is. There it is. So we got to be in edit mode on the grease pencil object. And the problem is that I guess with my setup, when we're in object mode, we're always dealing with meshes usually. So when I switch to faces, it doesn't know how to deal with the grease pencil object because that doesn't have any faces in it. So what I need to do is go back into the script here and add a context so that it knows when we switch from grease pencil into faces, edges, or verts, it's going to know to just switch to edit mode instead, or to draw mode instead. Okay, I'm going to do that after the stream. Or actually, I can do it now. Maybe this will be something new for you guys if you're interested in making your own whatchamacallit, scripts. This can be helpful. So I'm going to open up that script that we need here. Let's see. So it's in here, 2.8. Script startup, and then the one that we're using for selection is called Pie Selection. So I'm going to bring that in here, Pie Selection, and right now it automatically knows if you're, it goes straight from object mode straight into faces, straight into edges, or straight into verts. So you don't have to switch from object mode into edit mode, and then from edit mode into faces or whatever. So it kind of skips a whole step there, which is nice. But I need to tell it to be smart enough to know, okay, if the context mode is object and the object type is a mesh, then do this. But if the context mode is object and the type is a grease pencil, then do something else. Right? Okay, so okay, how about this? What if we get rid of that, and then if it's a mesh, okay, if it's object, then just switch into edit mode. Oh wait, but that won't work for the grease pencil because we need to go straight into draw mode. All right, let's see here. So if we're in object mode, then we go to edit mode, then we go to draw mode. Okay, it's called gpencil.paint mode. So we need to take that command. Let me put this back to how it was. You gotta put a colon after. Oh wait, no. What am I doing? That's not it. And blah blah blah, colon, then do that. Okay, and then the next one would be if object mode is context and the type is gpencil, right? Is that what it's called? Oh my god, and then this isn't going to work because we have an if and an elif and an else. And then, oh my god, my brain. bpy.context.object.type. So I'm going to type this into Blender and figure out what the type name of this thing gpencil is. Okay, so the name is gpencil. So if we have an object and the type is gpencil, then do, what do we want to do? bpy.ops.object.mode set mode equals draw. Oh wait, no, not draw. What is it called again? Paint mode toggle? Edit mode toggle? Okay, so this is confusing because it says edit mode toggle, paint mode toggle, sculpt mode toggle. But then in here, when we set the mode, we set mode to edit. So maybe it's just paint if we're going by that logic. Okay, so we need to make like a split here. So if it's a mesh, then do these two things. If it's gpencil, if you are a gpencil, then we want you to go into paint mode. Okay, so let's see if this works. If you're a mesh, then go to edit mode and select the type that we want. And if you're a gpencil, then go to paint mode. Is there anything else we would need to do? Like, do you guys, when you go into gpencil and draw mode, is there any other steps that you normally do to set up for drawing, or that's just it? You're ready to go? Because if there is another step, then we can just plug it in here, and then we save ourselves having to do the extra steps every single time, which is the magic of Python. Okay, so I'm going to save this here, close that up, and then open up again. Let's see if this junk works. Okay, well, I broke it. Yeah, I broke the menu. So let's go in here. When that happens, when you break something, you take your menu and you paste it into Blender, and then you run it, and then it's going to give you the error right here. So it says invalid syntax if context.mode, and it tells you where it is in line 61, and it highlights it. If the mode is object, what would be wrong with that? Oh, we need a colon here. So anytime you have an if statement, you need to put a colon at the end so it can run. Okay, we got another error here, and we can go look in the console, and it says tab error, which means that we need to convert white space to tabs. Okay, now let's run it again. Okay, so now we got no errors, which means it should open up. There we are, it's working as normal. Good. And let's try adding in a grease pencil object. Let's select an object first. Shit. So it's giving us this error. So that means, okay, it said try if the object context is object. Then if it's a mesh, then do this, else, maybe else, or elif, maybe do elif. Okay, let's try that. Let's grab the grease pencil. Doesn't like that. Oh, Lee, so there's actually a really nice updater called Blender Updater. and it's made by Overmind Studios. So just search Overmind Studios Blender Updater. It's really awesome. You can update Blender like in one click. So, did you say your left click is mapped to marquee selection? Yes, it is. This is my marquee, and it also selects through, which is something I had to script too. So what that means is when we're doing a marquee, it selects through the entire mesh, which is what I always use. The stream is black. That's not good. Oh, is that better? Sorry. Thanks for the tips, guys. All right, yeah, so the marquee selection here, it's on left click, so whenever you left click drag, it's gonna marquee. And also it's a select through, this is a special script too. It'll select through the object. See that? So it selects everything on the other side too, which is really important for any kind of, I don't know, this is what I use all the time. So I feel like this should be the default behavior, but it's not. So I just made my own script to do that. Okay, so we got to figure this out. Right now it's working how normally for meshes, but then for grease pencil, if I select the grease pencil here, I want to be able to switch to draw mode using this script. Select an object first. But we have an object. Let me see. Let me try it without this error. See if that helps. Let's comment that. Boop. Okay, and then let's grab the grease pencil. Okay. Enum paint not found in object G pencil edit G pencil. Oh, here we go. So it's called G pencil paint. I had the wrong name here. Sometimes it's kind of tricky to figure out what the correct command is. Okay, so G pencil underscore paint. Let's run this again. Okay, now we have the G pencil, and there we go. We got it. So now our menu, whoop, let's see, in line 200, edit not found in, oh, okay, all right. So once we're in the G pencil in paint mode, we need a special way to get out of that, because right now it's looking for edit mesh or edit. So we got to go elif here. So another special case just for grease pencil. I kind of wish this stuff would just all work together and not be a separate code. So right now we're in G pencil paint mode, right? If we are in G pencil paint mode, then go back out to object mode. Mode equals object. Does that work? Let's see. So we're in edit mode now. Oops. All right. I think that worked. Yeah. Okay, so we can go jump into faces here. Jump back into object. Select the grease pencil. And then jump into draw mode. And then get back out into face object mode. All right, nice. Looks like we're all set here. Let me get back and just double check this. Maybe this pie, it would be cool if when we're in grease pencil mode, or when we're in G pencil draw mode, it would be cool if the pie is smart enough to change. So when we bring up the same pie, these vert, edge, and faces, it changes to like line mode, erase mode, draw mode, or some kind of draw related pie over here. But I have to figure that shit out. Maybe, okay, maybe when we're in draw mode, it just brings up a totally different pie menu. And that a draw pie menu. But I need is there a draw pie menu already? Do you guys know? Like or a grease pencil pie menu? Because that would be useful. What's it called, or how do we call it up? Grease pencil. Is there a grease pencil pie somewhere? I hate that you can't search by pie menus. Yeah, how do you call that pie? Oh, is it this one? No. But Control Tab is still giving me the same regular this pie lets you switch to edges, verts, and object from the pie. And I'm trying to get it to work with grease pencil too. So it would bring up, oh, it's tab. Okay, so if I search for tab, because I just want to find the name of that pie so I can dig into it. Okay, so strokes, edit mode toggle. No. Where is it? Grease pencil pie, where are you? Well, anyway, what are the most common grease pencil? Oh, here we go. Ooh. That's cool. Thickness. Leak size. That's pretty cool. Draw noise. You can draw with fill. Really? It's not letting me drag though. How do you draw with fill? Draw. Ooh. This is pretty cool. Have to make a new material. Like here? How do you make a new material? Change the opacity. Oh, I see. Where the hell is it, though? Materials tab, make a new one. How do I make a new one? Properties, okay. Oh shit, it's all over here. Oh, I see, I see. I see. Okay. Oh, okay, there's the fill right there. Alright, this is pretty cool. This is pretty dope. Yeah, that fill is... This is like Alchemy. Do you guys remember that program? Alright, so we're gonna have to go in and make a grease pencil menu, or probably just try to find out where the normal grease pencil pie menu is. If there is a grease pencil pie, and then we'll add that into here and get it running. But for now, at least we know that we can switch into grease pencil now, into draw mode. All right, Simon. Thanks for the tips. This is cool. It's really nice. And we can change the color after, too. Ooh. Wow. Texture. Gradient. Ooh, that's cool. This would be useful for lights, like studio lights and stuff. Can you convert this stuff into a mesh and keep the color here? Let's see, grease pencil. How do we convert? Oh, that's so cool. Wow. You can paint on top of surfaces. All right, let's see. How does that work? Oh, need a new material here, right? Do we just turn on snapping? Oh, here we are. Surface. Oh, that's really nice. Okay. Cool. And then, oh, that's really cool. I'm learning so much. Okay. Maybe let's make the cube into... Oh, and you can even see them in render view. What if we make the cube transparent? Where's my screen space for perfection? Hey, Johan. I'm just kind of learning about it right now from Simon and Brush Runner. Alpha blend. Oh, okay, there we go. It's just invisible. Okay, so let's go back to the grease pencil. Start drawing here. Like it can draw on a surface if we have a cube. G. P. Pretty cool. I don't know if this is the left side. Excellent. I'm going to be playing with this later. Oh. Can you subtract? I don't know. Can you? Well, at least they're here in Eevee. Oh man, hold on a minute. I wonder if I get one of my... Oh yeah, control will erase. Cool. Thanks, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna open up... Let's open up this one and see if we can draw on it. Nope. Oh wait, here we go. Where's the grease pencil? G pencil. Edit. Oh right, we need to be on surface mode. GP. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. Oh yeah, we need some flames. Some tribal flames. Good idea. There we go. Number 1. This is so cool. And then we can go into this thing and change it, right? Can we put a fill on it? Oh, material. Okay. What's the difference between a GP layer and a material? So each layer can have multiple materials, I guess. Let's put alpha on here. Can we draw in symmetry? I don't know. Can we? And how do we get it to show through the model? Like, we want it to just render on top of everything else. Solid, solid. Options, pass index. Factor. Stroke thickness. So these are actually geometry, huh? You look at them and they're like little triangles. Extruded. So you must be able to convert this to... I think you could convert this to geometry in 2.79, so I'm sure that they have it here too. I hope. But then, how do we make it be on top? I want to see it over everything else. Add effect. Flip. What? What is this? What's going on here? Okay. Blur. Ooh. Ooh. That looks shitty. Man, so fancy. Now we got flames on fire. Even more tribal than before. Holy shit. My flames are on fire, guys. Oh. Alright, science. See you later. Whoa. Object viewport display. In front. This one, right? Make the object draw in front of others. But it doesn't seem to be working there. Maybe an offset would be good too. If we had a G pencil offset, let's see, where are we? I'm already thinking about features and don't even know what's in there. They probably have all of this already. I would be so frustrated if I was a developer, because when you see all the people like asking for features that are already there, I would kill myself. So you can have another material, right? If we make a new material and draw. Does that mean we can change this one? How do I get these new strokes to go onto the new material? You have to click it a few times. Oh, there it is. Wait, but then why did it turn black again? Okay. The effects go on all strokes. Oh. I see. But why is it black instead of pink? Is it the layer? Oh, it's the layer. Sorry. There we go. Wow, I'm such a noob. Look at me. I don't know anything. But this is fun. I wonder if we could do morning guts like this. Even though I'm always telling people to not draw on the computer. Look, I'm an artist. Inktober in Blender. You guys are crazy. Alright, I'm going to side view here. Alright, see you, Walter. The autofill is pretty nice though. Whoa. Shoot, you can do like that too. I'm using a tablet. Let's see, make an exercise to only model the big shapes and then draw on grease pencil. Yeah, that would be pretty nice. I mean, like here, I guess, what would I do? Make a new layer. What about... Oh, but I want it to go on the surface. But then they disappear. Where did they go? Oh, they're on the hidden layer here. There we go. Ooh, maybe wireframe is good for this. It is kind of cool to draw like this. Just kind of draw in 3D. Very interesting. How do you guys usually do this and make it like stick on over the surface so you can see? Inside mesh editing, you unlink any shared mesh and apply Wait, I don't understand, Eduardo. Oh, see you, Simon. See you later. Try to use shift. Okay. Oops. It seems my Blender is stuck. Oh. Maybe we have to do this in wireframe. No effect. And let's get rid of this. Can you put a mirror modifier on this? Mirror. Ooh, very nice. Oh, lazy mouse. Do we have a way to do straight lines? Oh, there it is. Holding Alt. That's pretty nice. Sponsored by Team Scripts. Oh, that straight line is pretty cool. Might have to do. Ooh, yes. That's cool. make this go into, oh, there's drawing locks. Go to 3D cursor. Damn, Walter would love this stuff. Because he's been doing drawing in, what program was it? Some VR program that lets you put in lines and like draw in 3D, but I mean, you could do that in here. Ooh, it's kind of sexy. I need to see where my 3D cursor is, just for a second. Oh shit, oh there we go. All right, I think you guys convinced me. This is pretty cool. Thickness modifier. Oh. Dang. Oh shit. This is pretty freaking cool. Okay. What about smooth? Man, I'm so behind on this grease pencil stuff. This is really, really nice. Oh shoot. Oh, okay, I'm gonna try this lock. So we want it on what plane do we want? ZY. Oh yes, there we go. That's nice. That's what we wanted. Can you do ellipses too? Ooh. Wait, how do you move the lines around? Oh, I've heard Gravity Sketch is pretty cool. I need to get into that. Yeah, so how do you edit this stuff? Toggle sidebar. Ooh. Oh. Let me get back there. That would be handy to have on the on a pie menu if there was one. Although I'm not sure why it's why is it doing that? Circle seems to work better. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay. Oh, you're right. Smooth modifier. But you would think that smoothing a circle would just make it more circular. Okay, let's see if this works now here. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright guys, this was pretty enlightening, so thank you for the tips, and thanks for asking about this brush runner, because it opened up a whole can of worms that I'm happy that we opened up. Oh man, I kind of want to see what this line would look like if we take the rib line here and just make it all the way going up. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like future something. Will the configs and scripts be updated? Yes, they will. Let me do that. I've made a mess here. But here, I'll put the one that we did just now, at least. Oh shit, did I save it? Oh shit. Did I save it? Oh my god. Let me check if it works. Fuck, I didn't save it. But it's okay. Now we know what it needs, right? Where were we? If the context mode is object, and if the needs G pencil paint, and then elif the context mode is edit mesh, elif text.mode equals to G pencil paint, then we want to go bpy.context.mode equals object. Else do this bullshit, and then otherwise put an error. What does F mean? Oh shit. What did I forget? Oh, elif, okay. F to pay respects. Oh, that's nice. Oh, where is it? Oh yeah, there was a tab error. So I gotta go in here and make sure that all the tabs are converted. Blank operation, space to tab. Oh, okay. I am learning Python one script at a time, and this shit still not working. So I'm gonna bring it in and run it just to see what the error. Oh shoot! Same mistake as before, of course. Let me just save it over here. Where was it? Such a noob. What a noob. Okay, here we go. So now if we add a grease pencil, then we can draw. Yes. Let me comment this out. Save. Try this again. Okay, let's make a grease pencil here. Oh, come on. What did I forget? Oh, Jesus. Okay, so if we are an object... it's... But if you read it, it's pretty simple. You can even read it like a sentence almost. Like, if we are in object mode, and if the object mode is a mesh, then put it into edit mode, and then select the type that we want, either faces, edges, or verts. Or, oh, there it is, else if. So if this one didn't work, then we try this one, which is if the object is a G-pencil, type, then we need to switch from G-pencil into G-pencil paint mode. Alright, let's see if this works here. I think that was my problem. Okay, so now if I go to the G-pencil, there it is. Okay, that was my problem. So I like Python because you can kind of read it like a sentence, and if you just go through it and read it very slowly, then you see where your logic is broken or whatever. Okay, so if we switch back to the grease pencil, and there we go. Alright, so then next I'm going to make a special pie that pops up when you're in grease pencil mode, and that'll be better. But I need to learn how to actually use grease pencil and save as Jesse says. We need to save. Okay, so that works. Grease pencil. And grease pencil works. Okay, we're all set here. So let me go upload that shit here. I have a backup. Well, this is my working file in here, and then I just copy it straight into the Dropbox folder, so you guys can replace all of this junk here. Alright, so then we're updated. You can grab this stuff at the YouTube install link, and grease pencil should be working now. Or at least that one, the selection pie should work with grease pencil. And how do you select a grease pencil, I wonder? Without, you have to select it in the outliner. Well, anyway, that was fun, guys. I totally didn't expect to go on this tangent today, but that was interesting. Okay, well, have a good rest of your day, and I'm sorry that we didn't get to draw. I'm just going to draw on my own. Sorry about that, but anyway, have a good Inktober day. See ya.